Welcome to Dwight Lewis Lumber Company.
This company was founded in 1941 by Gleason Lewis as a means of getting trees off his family farm. Then in the mid-1940s, the sawmill burned down and his son, Dwight's two sons, Melvin and Mark, then took over the sawmill. It begins as a forester going into the forest and selecting trees that would be appropriate to harvest to improve the health of the stand. So this forester paints the trees, a logger comes in, cuts down the painted trees, and from there the trees are then cut into logs. Logs are loaded onto a log truck, they come to the sawmill, they are sorted according to species, they are put into the sawmill, debarked, run through a metal detector, taken to the head saw takes off the round edges and makes a square cant.
My name's Dave Craig. Sawyer brings the logs into the mill and loads them onto the carriage, scans it with a laser system, and then it determines where to set the log to get the best optimal opening face for the cut.
The cant then goes to one of the resaws. It is cut into boards. The boards are then edged. The edges are taken off so the edges are square, and then trimmed to the appropriate length. And from there, it's sorted according to grade, kiln dried, resorted according to grade, and then sold. The bark will be used for mulch. Any sawdust that the saw has produced will be used for farmers, for bedding, for wood pellets, for stoves. Any low quality boards will be made into pallet. Any waste lumber will be then chipped and used for heating.
Manufacturing, to me, what I think is so cool about it is that you take a tree and we turn it into a raw material that can then become anything, from cabinets to the chairs that we're sitting on to tables. Wood products are all around us every day.
Thank you, Lewis Lumber.